Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we break down the beauty essentials so you don't have to. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the DermaQuest Radiant Skin Protective Anti-Aging Facial Kit, a skincare set designed to fight the signs of aging and protect the skin from environmental damage. This kit promises a lot, so let's see how it holds up. The DermaQuest Radiant Skin Protective Anti-Aging Facial Kit is an advanced skincare set that brings together a powerful mix of antioxidants, botanicals, and scientifically backed ingredients to protect and rejuvenate your skin. Included in the kit are the C-Infusion Antioxidant Face Wash, Hyaluronic B5 Serum, Retinol Vitamin C Serum, and Zinc Oxide SPF 50 Sunscreen, a comprehensive routine aimed at hydration, anti-aging, and defense against harmful free radicals. Let's break down what each product does. First, the C-Infusion Antioxidant Face Wash cleanses the skin while infusing it with powerful antioxidants. This face wash isn't just about getting rid of dirt. It works to nourish and hydrate the skin, leaving it refreshed without feeling tight. The key ingredient here is vitamin C, which also helps to brighten the complexion over time. Moving on to the Hyaluronic B5 Serum, this product addresses skin dehydration with the help of hyaluronic acid, a powerful humectant known for its ability to hold moisture in the skin. If you struggle with dry skin or want a hydration boost, this serum might just be your new best friend. The C-Infusion Serum is the hero of this kit. With its combination of vitamin C and botanical oils, this serum helps fight visible signs of aging and discoloration. It's also designed to protect the skin from environmental stressors, an essential step if you live in a city or are exposed to pollutants. Last but not least, the Zinc Oxide SPF 50 Sunscreen provides high broad-spectrum protection against both UVA and UVB rays. It's non-comedogenic, so it's great for all skin types, including those prone to breakouts. The sunscreen works in tandem with the C-Infusion Serum to offer an added layer of defense against sun damage while keeping the skin moisturized. I've been using this kit for a few weeks now, and here's my experience. The face wash has a nice, smooth texture and doesn't strip my skin, which I love. It also lathers well, so I only need a small amount to feel thoroughly cleansed. The Hyaluronic B5 Serum feels incredibly hydrating without being greasy, perfect for layering under my moisturizer. The C-Infusion Serum has a light, non-sticky texture, and after consistent use, my skin does look brighter, more even-toned, and feels noticeably softer. The Zinc Oxide SPF 50 Sunscreen is a bit thicker than other sunscreens I've tried, but it doesn't leave a white cast, which is a big plus. As with any skincare, results take time, but I can confidently say my skin feels more resilient, hydrated, and protected. If you're someone who is into a minimalist routine but wants maximum protection and anti-aging benefits, this kit is well suited for you. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the pro side, each product in this kit has a solid formulation, with vitamin C and plant stem cells providing antioxidant protection while boosting hydration. The inclusion of SPF is essential for daily defense against UV rays, which is often overlooked in many skincare routines. The overall performance is top-notch, and my skin feels soft, hydrated, and more even-toned. On the downside, the C-Infusion Serum might be a bit too potent for those with sensitive skin. The serum contains retinol, and while it's great for anti-aging, it can sometimes cause irritation, especially if you're new to retinol. Also, if you're someone on a budget, this kit is on the pricier side. So you may need to evaluate whether the benefits justify the cost for your skincare routine. In terms of value for money, I'd say it's reasonable given the high-quality ingredients and comprehensive nature of the set. When you break it down, you're getting a complete anti-aging routine with powerful antioxidants, hydration, and UV protection, things that are crucial for preserving youthful skin. That being said, if you're on a tighter budget, there are more affordable alternatives, though they may not offer the same concentrated ingredients. The build quality of the packaging is also worth mentioning. The products come in sleek, well-designed bottles that feel sturdy and premium. The pumps and droppers dispense the right amount of product, minimizing waste, which is always a good sign of thoughtful packaging. I haven't had any direct customer service interactions with DermaQuest myself, but the brand is known for its high standards and responsive support team. Their reputation for quality and customer care makes me confident that they would handle any inquiries or issues promptly. Looking for alternatives? If you're interested in a similar but more budget-friendly option, you could check out The Ordinary's vitamin C and hyaluronic acid serums. While they might not have the same luxurious feel, they still deliver great results at a fraction of the price. For a great sunscreen alternative, EltaMD UV Clear SPF 46 is a top contender for those with sensitive or acne-prone skin. So, what's my final verdict on the DermaQuest Radiant Skin Protective Anti-Aging Facial Kit? This is an excellent choice if you're looking for a comprehensive, high-performance skincare routine that addresses hydration, anti-aging, and UV protection all in one. The products are well-formulated and deliver visible results, making this kit a solid investment in your skincare regimen. However, if you have sensitive skin or are just starting with vitamin C or retinol, you may want to patch test or consult with a dermatologist first. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.